Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to understand the Watt's indicator mechanism, which is the inversion of 4-bar mechanism. That means in this mechanism there are total number of links are 4. Now we will understand these links with the help of diagram. If we observe, here is the fixed point A, and this fixed point A we will consider here the link 1. Now the second link is this link AC, third link is the link CE. Now there is the fourth link, and the two ends of the link are on this link 2 and link 3. So if we observe, the link 4 is the link BFD. Now this is the combination of two links, that is BF and FD, but there is no any relative motion in between this BF and FD. That's why this is only the single link. Now for this link 4, one end is on link 2 and the other end is on link 3. So this is important point. Now what is happening, this link 4 is getting attached to this indicator plunger. Now in this mechanism, when there is the pressure acting on this indicator plunger by the gases or steam in this indicator cylinder, then this plunger is moving in the upward direction, and that's why, because this plunger is attached to this link BFD, this BFD is also getting displaced, but the ends of the BFD are getting connected to the link 2 and link 4. So these two links are also getting displaced. And what is happening here, this point A is the fix. That's why this whole mechanism is getting displaced around this fixed point A, and that we have to show. So this is the initial position that I have explained. So what is happening when the pressure is getting applied on this indicator plunger? So this point E will be moved in the upward direction, and this point E to E dash. So E dash is the final position. So here is this point E is moving in a straight vertical line, and that's why this mechanism is also known as Watt's straight line mechanism, and it is also known as double lever mechanism. Now we will understand how to draw the diagram after displacement. So here we have to draw a straight vertical line, and on this line we have to show this point E dash. Now this is the second point, and what is the first point? Now this whole mechanism is displaced about this center A, because this is the fixed point. So this is the initial point, that is the first point, and this is the second point. Now in between this A and E we have to show the other points. So again we have to take here this link CD, CE. So CE means here for this secondary position we have to show C dash, E dash, and here is A to C dash. And now in these two links, that is AC dash and C dash, E dash, we have to plot by taking the distance equal to CB is equal to C dash B dash, and distance equal to CD is equal to C dash D dash. So here is the two ends are getting for this link 4, and then we will take here the point F, that is known as point F dash, and this, if we connect these two, then we will get the that is the what is the final position after displacement of this plunger. So here is the diagram.